Spirit Airlines coming in. A320, I think. Forgot to check. Yes, A320. Spirit Airlines. Dang, he's flying in. Man's busting. Full speed. He ain't messing around. A320 Spirit. Simple. Next should be Frontier and then Alaskan Airlines. Let's go. Can't wait for them to be here. Here we go. Here we go. Frontier A321, one of my favorites. For some reason it looks like a 757. I just did not go plane spotting in a very long time. Frontier, one of my favorite airlines. Oh, the wind, hello. Hey, the lion, yes sir. Oh no, that's a lynx. A lynx, that's also cool. Probably my favorite airline, Frontier. I just like animals and planes. Put those two together, amazing. And it's low cost, so yeah. But them merging with Spirit was, I think that's a bad idea. But I don't know. I just don't know how that would work out. Here we have a United coming in, and right after this, Alaskan Airlines. First flight to Cleveland. Here's United. Small CRJ, ERJ. What? I forgot my plane. Dang. You got a special guest behind you, United. Oh man, wind. Yeah, there's very strong wind. The Frontier. Look at him. Oh, he's stuck. Here we go, Alaskan Airlines. From Seattle to Cleveland. First time in Cleveland. That kind of looks like United to me. That is United. Then who just landed? Okay, well, hello, other United that randomly got in here. I think flight radar messed up, or I missed a plane. I definitely. Maybe. Here we go. Yes, Alaskan Airlines. Yes, that's Alaskan. I can tell you that for sure. Let's go! Finally! I always wanted Alaskan to come to Cleveland. Welcome to Cleveland. Let's go. Oh, and a butter landing. Welcome to Cleveland, Alaska. Delta A321 rolling down the runway. Heavy winds. There we have a Spirit A320 rolling down the runway. That was cool, nice and loud. United is rolling down the runway. There's a ton of birds on the runway, and Spirit stopped for a second, so hopefully they reported the birds. But United is rolling. I don't know. Oh, there we go, they cleared up, but there's still a lot of birds. Man, if a bird strike happens right now. Cactus 1549. Just there's no Hudson River here. Bye, good luck. Don't hit any birds. Oh, look at that. Great, he didn't hit any birds. Exactly. That'd be better if he did. Here we go, it's rolling down the runway. 737 MAX 9 Alaskan Airlines. Thank you for visiting Cleveland. Have a great flight. Oh, it's gonna rotate in front of us. Yes, sir. Thanks for visiting Cleveland. Good luck on your way to Seattle. See you tomorrow. And that concludes the video of plane spotting. Thank you for watching, and peace out. I guess not the last flight of the day. Still waiting from the MD11 to land. And yeah, also the restaurant here, the Aviator, awesome. Overpowered, literally OP. Get the, if you want to come here, if you're in Cleveland, get the Aviator Smash hamburger. Oh, it's bussin'. But yeah, MD11 about to take off. Let's go. Here it is, UPS MD11. I climbed up onto the Aviator sign, which I'm pretty sure is illegal. It's just me and you. Nobody else is allowed to know that they did this. So yeah, see? Very high up on the sign. Anything for plane. Parkour. Good luck! Man, that thing's huge. Look at it. I wish you went over there and took off this, so you know how cool that would be. It's not. But hey, it's still taking off. But the amount of flies up here is extreme. My entire body is literally covered in flies. Oh man, I'm gonna die after this. Here it goes. Everybody, headphones in because it's gonna sound cool. Well, I don't know how it sounds through a camera, but man, the thing's giant. I want to fly that, and I also want to get a tour of the plane. Like if anybody works at Cleveland, if it's legal, they can maybe give me a tour. That's probably not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. I only have 200 something subscribers and I'm 13. It's not gonna happen. But anyways, here we go. Rising GoPro up. They're holding, asking taxi permission, and they're about to go. Are your flies all over me? It hurts. Here we go. MD11 UPS from the Aviator sign. There they go. Man, that is a huge plane. And they're airborne. Look at that. The wingspan of that thing is huge. Good luck. There they go.